Let's build a castle. Two tall walls and the ground. Your turn. Up, down, the castle top. A tower on the left. A tower on the right. A pointy roof. And one more roof. A big round door. Great job!